In this video, we'll show you how to get a Gemini API key and use it to make API calls in Python. To generate a Gemini API key, first go to aistudio.google.com. Log in using your Google account and you will see an interface like this. On the left panel, click Get API Key. Scroll down and click Create API Key. Select your project and click Create. Copy the API key you've just generated. This key allows you to access various AI models for tasks like text generation, image generation, and text-to-speech. Next, we'll show you how to use this secret key in Python to make API calls. Open your code editor. We'll start by creating a .env file to securely store the API key. This way, you can safely use it in your code without exposing it directly. Important tip, never hard-code your API key in the code. Always keep it hidden using a .env file. Now, open a new Python file. We'll be using the Google Generative AI package, so let's start by installing it with this command. Once installed, import the package into your Python script. To securely access your API key from the .env file, we'll use this line of code. With everything set up, we can now initialize the GenAI client by passing in the API key. To generate a response, we'll use the generateContent function. It takes two arguments, the model name and the prompt you want to send. The text generated by the model is accessed using response.text, where the response object stores the output of API call. It's that easy to use AI models, but it's just the beginning. Follow our Gemini tutorials playlist to master AI and building LLM-powered apps. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemus.com.